Hey guys, let's make some vanilla ice cream. And this is the base recipe of how I make vanilla ice cream. You can also use alternate recipes like plant-based stuff. But at the same time, I'm trying something different. I'm using macadamia nut milk and I'm gonna put some Grandelli chocolates as topping. You could also need cream cheese. So I use regular cream cheese for this, but I also could use plant-based cream cheese. And of course you need vanilla extract as well as heavy whipping cream or coconut cream or coconut cream, as well as sugar, your vanilla sugar. So the cream cheese, I just microwave it for 10 seconds to soften it up. That way we can mix in the sugar as well as the vanilla bean extract. So the vanilla bean extract, I put about 2 teaspoons of it. For the sugar, I put about I think a cup of sugar, or at least 3/4 of a cup of sugar. We mix it all up until it's nice and creamy. Then I'm putting the heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of that, into the mixture. And then I'm going to shake up my macadamia nut milk. I'm putting 1.5 cups of macadamia nut milk. So I do like the taste of macadamia nut, and it's a little different. You can also use oat milk instead, or you can use regular milk. It all works, and it works pretty well. So the macadamia nut milk, just make sure it's unsweetened. And if you're using other alternates, it's all good. You know, as long as you have those components, it's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the entire mixture into the Ninja Creami container. This actually makes a pretty good amount of ice cream, which is really, really cool. And once we have that mixed up with the whisk, we'll go ahead and put this in the refrigerator or freezer for 24 hours so the whole thing freezes up solid. Now, the macadamia nut milk is pretty awesome because it freezes solid, and this is just the base for other things. We'll go put it into a Ninja Speedy and have it ground down to ice cream. I also prepared some dark chocolate, and that's going to be awesome for toppings or mix-ins. You can mix it into the base vanilla ice cream, which is really awesome. This takes about 4 minutes to actually grind that ice cream and make it nice and creamy, which is really cool. The base paddle just basically goes down and grinds the hardened ice cream mixture and makes it super fluffy, super, super tasty. And there it is. It's nice and fluffy and soft. It's super molten ice cream right now. So I'll probably put the toppings in, remix it, and then eat it, or you can just eat it right now. It's actually just the right, texture for ice cream. Let's taste. Macadamia, it's very clean tasting. Very neat. Okay, the macadamia nut ice cream by itself is actually very clean tasting. It's very, very subtle. The dark chocolate is awesome, so let's go ahead and try it. Done. Okay, we just respun it. Let's open this guy up. Ice cream. Look at that. This is ice cream that we spun with dark chocolate. But I'm just gonna take a little bit and taste it. So we're gonna put it back in the freezer and freeze it. We'll spin it again later. I think I'll spin it again. There's a lot of chocolate. Every bite's a chocolate. Actually, you know what's good? I'm gonna keep it that way. Every bite here is a chocolate. Here is a lot less, but I just took the top off. Lots of chocolate. So I got my freezer tub. I bought a lot of these tubs so I can make a lot of ice cream. I'm just scooping it onto the tub so I can freeze it, so I can use this to make more ice cream later. Very creamy, very luscious. Yum. I'll go ahead and freeze this thing. It's just enough to fill one of these things. So, one quickie dab. I'll taste another one. That's good ice cream. Very tight. And dark chocolate. Dark choco. Always good to have some more of these containers. Thanks for watching, and of course, if you like lemon sorbet, almond ice cream, macadamia nut, and dark chocolate ice cream, good stuff. Anyways, follow for more. I'll have more of your recipes or DIY stuff on my channel. Like always, it's a lifestyle channel. What do you expect? A lot of good stuff. Lots of good treats. I'll probably be doing some more cooking stuff because, well, well, I do like cooking. And at the same time, I like cooking after work. So when I come back after work, I put on an apron. I'd like to join you guys to just basically make some food or make some dessert and have it for the weekend, share with friends, that sort of fun stuff. Anyways, see you next time. Follow for more.